Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we have a helpful tutorial for Eufy Floodlight Camera users. If you've ever found yourself in a situation where you need to reset your Eufy Floodlight Camera, you're in the right place. Whether you're troubleshooting issues or preparing to sell or repurpose your camera, the process is relatively simple. Stay tuned as we guide you through the step-by-step instructions on how to reset your Eufy Floodlight Camera. Step 1. Reasons to reset. Before we jump into the reset process, let's quickly go over a few reasons why you might need to reset your Eufy Floodlight Camera. This could include troubleshooting technical issues, changing Wi-Fi networks, or preparing the camera for a new user. Whatever the reason, the reset process is your go-to solution. Step 2. Preparing for reset. First things first, make sure your Eufy Floodlight Camera is powered on and connected to a stable power source. Also, grab your smartphone or tablet with the Eufy Security app installed. This app will be your tool for the reset process. Step 3. Launch Eufy Security app. Open the Eufy Security app on your mobile device and log into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in, navigate to the Devices tab, where you'll find your Eufy Floodlight Camera listed. Step 4. Selecting the camera. Tap on the Eufy Floodlight Camera to access its settings. Here, you'll find various options related to your camera. Look for the Device Settings or Camera Settings option. It might vary slightly based on the app version. Step 5. Locate Reset option. Now, scroll down or navigate through the settings until you find the Reset option. This is the magic button that will initiate the reset process. Once you've located it, go ahead and tap on Reset. Step 6. Confirming reset. After tapping Reset, the app will likely prompt you to confirm the action. This is a crucial step to prevent accidental resets. Confirm that you want to reset the camera, and the process will begin. Step 7. Wait for reset. Now, be patient. The reset process may take a minute or two. During this time, your Eufy Floodlight Camera will reboot, and its settings will be restored to default. You'll know the reset is complete when the camera's LED indicators stabilize or follow the app's on-screen instructions. Step 8. Reset up. With the reset complete, you'll need to set up your Eufy Floodlight Camera again. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to reconnect the camera to your Wi-Fi network and customize any settings as needed. Conclusion. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to reset your Eufy Floodlight Camera. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in the future, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.